3, 2, 1.
Never the answer.
Well, I think you don't blame a whole nation for what's going on in America or in Russia or anywhere else, you know. I think it's really about your relationships with people. Do you know what I mean? I don't choose my friends based on their race or their sexuality or their age. I choose people because I like them and because they're good people. And I know lots of amazing Jewish people. If you don't know any Jewish people, maybe that's the problem. Do you know any Jewish people? Look at the choir, it's so weird. You know, as a country that's had a lot of pain, we should know what that feels like.
No, I know, and it's that idea that you must learn from the past and try to do different.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
But it's interesting, the silence, that's surprising me a little bit.
I...